Make a clear path for them to opt in. You have to lead them and tell them exactly what their next step should be so your visitors don't get distracted and lost. Believe me, this can happen if you are not paying attention to your landing page. On the other hand, if you are getting leads and providing value for them and you still have no sales, what should you do? Give them. Hey guys, my name is Patrick Cogen, and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you have no sales with affiliate marketing, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you can grow your online business and take it to the next level. Affiliate marketing has simple concept on how to make money online, but it's not easy to do at all. A lot of people think that you simply choose a product you want to promote, you get your affiliate link, and then you can start promoting that link everywhere and you get money for it. They think that they can start making money with affiliate marketing very fast. But this is not a get-rich scheme at all. It requires time and hard work. Maybe you are thinking right now that you are doing this some time already, you put enough effort into this, but you have no results and you are getting no sales. Why aren't you getting any sales with affiliate marketing? First reason, you don't provide any value to people. You have to realize that this is not about selling, but rather providing value to others. Some people do it the wrong way. They chase money and focus on the selling instead of helping. Your potential customers don't know you. They don't trust you. Why should they buy from you? Start focusing on adding value first and then making money. How do you provide value? By giving information about specific product. You can talk about benefits for your customer and how it can help him to solve the problem he may have. Talk about benefits instead of features. Some people tend to do this mistake that they talk about features and specifics of the product. People don't care about it. It's boring and they want to know how will this specific product improve their life. You want to provide as much value as possible and help people. This should be your number one focus. So stop chasing money. If you add value to people, show them benefits and help them to improve their lives, money will come to you. Write this down. You provide value and money will follow. Second reason, you don't have a brand. This is common problem why you have no sales. How do you present yourself? People don't know who you are, and if you don't have brand, they will not buy from you. Think about brands like Amazon, Google, or even Walmart. People know them, they trust them, and that is the reason why they keep growing. The brand will win the long run. If you don't have a brand, create one immediately and start working on it. If you have a brand, keep building it, keep working on it and let it grow. Be consistent, post regularly and provide as much value as you can. People are not gonna buy from you if they don't trust you. So, how do you create trust? The answer is brand. Brand creates trust. You are an authority, you are providing value to people, and they slowly start to like you and to trust you. Trust is very important for getting the sales. So create a brand. Make a professional logo. You can go to Fiverr and create a professional looking logo from $5 to $25. In addition, create your own website with a custom domain and URL. You can't just have a free website with Wix or Weebly like .wix.com or .weebly.com. It doesn't look professional, and this is also one of the common mistakes people tend to do. So invest a little bit and make it look professional. If you don't have a brand and people find the product you are promoting and you are trying to sell, what do? They go find comparisons and reviews. They watch different videos, read blog posts and find out if the product is legit. And if it is, they may purchase it elsewhere. The brand determines if they make a purchase or not. Next important thing is social proof. If you don't have any social proof, there are two things you can do. One, create followers. It's good to have following. You need people who follow you, people who trust you. How do you create that? Simply by providing value to people and helping them. If your content is good and you have brand, you will start slowly getting more and more people following you. It can be followers on Instagram or subscribers on YouTube. It doesn't matter as long as you are providing value for them. And if you are consistent and resourceful, your followers will trust you and they are gonna buy from you. 2. Create a story about yourself. You can write a blog post or shoot a quick little video about yourself and your story. How you get started, what happened through your journey, what did you learn, and also your recommendations on different products and how it improved your life. They will see that you are a real person and they can relate to you. And this is going to help you massively. Third reason, you are not testing enough. Maybe you are thinking you have a great landing page. How do you know that? What if your landing page is poor quality? Sure, it can look good, but how come you are getting low opt-ins and no sales? It is a very low chance to get it right for the first time. You need to test everything and then adapt yourself. It's not easy to create a great headline with image and opt-in form that will turn your visitors into leads. Make it interesting, curious and clear for your visitors to opt in. In addition, make it simple. Remember that sometimes less is more. Make a clear path for them to opt in. You have to lead them and tell them exactly what their next step should be so your visitors don't get distracted and lost. Believe me, this can happen if you are not paying attention to your landing page. On the other hand, if you are getting leads and providing value for them and you still have no sales, what should you do? Give them reasons why they should buy from you. For instance, offer them discounts. It can be 10% discount, 15% discount, 20% discount. It doesn't matter. Give them something special. It can also be some kind of bonus, some audio or video, something that provides even more value for them. You have to create scarcity. One advice I can give you is to limit your offer for a certain period of time. Tell them that if they purchase within 24 hours, they will get 50% discount. Make it one-time offer and see for yourself. If you have no sales with affiliate marketing, remember that it can be one of these three reasons. You don't provide any value, you don't have a brand, or you are simply not testing enough. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys do want to check out more videos like this, I will put links in the description, so go ahead and check them out. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button and comment below. And if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the future content. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.